The 2019 winter season is right around the corner, and NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, released its winter outlook for the December through February timeframe. This year's outlook calls for a greater probability of above normal temperatures, and precipitation is expected to be about normal. You might be thinking 70 degrees and sunny all winter long. Well, that's not going to be the case. Meteorologist Steve Rowley with the National Weather Service has a reality check for those keeping the flip-flops out for the winter season.
Don't hang too many expectations on the overall forecast. I think what that tells us is it's probably not going to be a record cold or snowy or icy winter. But we can always have those short periods embedded within that longer period where we could get some very intense conditions, and we need to be prepared for that.
2 years ago, the Low Country experienced one of the snowiest events in history, with ice and snow falling January 3rd of 2018. That year, the forecast was for temperatures slightly above normal and below normal precipitation. While we felt extreme cold during the start of the month of January, the overall monthly temperature turned out to be just slightly below normal. Same case for 2014. January brought not one, but 2 ice storms to the Low Country. But overall, the month just turned out to be slightly below normal.
This is a big picture, very educated guess at what the overall conditions are going to be for December, January, and February.
Now, it's not uncommon to get winter precipitation in the Low Country. We need just 2 ingredients to combine for winter weather to happen: cold temperatures and precipitation.
Snow here is less than an inch every year, so we don't typically get accumulating snow, but it isn't zero. A normal winter is not zero.
Bottom line, while the winter weather outlook is helpful to get a rough idea of what to expect during the winter months, we need to track daily weather elements to create timely and local forecasts. Next week, I'm diving into the science behind how NOAA creates this long-term outlook. For Storm Team 2, I'm meteorologist Arielle Hooley.